into your Moodle ID. So this page is shown here. So this is the dashboard. So go to this thing, and from here also, if you want, from here also. So site home. So on dashboard, your subjects, your allotted subjects are shown like this. So my subjects are. So I am showing one example how to give assignment here. So ES1. Okay, here in topic. So here you need to click on turn editing on and add an activity or resource. So select assignment, name that assignment, maybe example assignment. Example assignment. Okay. So if you want to put any other name, no problem. So description. So how the assignment they need to submit and everything you need to write here. So write on answer. All questions and paper and scan, make a PDF and submit. Okay, so like this you need to give some description. So how many marks you want to give, like that. You want to give any instructions here, you can. So display on description of course page. Okay, so display description on course page. So after that, so if for suppose you have any assignment, so already you make a PDF your assignment file. So directly you can drop down. So for suppose if you have anything, so I will downloads. So maybe this is my assignment. So EDA syllabus if I want to put. So drop down like this. So that is one option. Or otherwise, if you don't want to drop down, so directly click on files. Okay, here. So go to upload a file. Choose that file. So which one you want, that one you can choose. Whether it is a Word document, or whether it is a PDF, whether it is a image. So choice is yours. So upload like that. So after done, here this is very important. So allow submission from. So from which date they want to submit. Okay, so 19th time, you need to give time here. So I want to give from 12. So 9th October 12. Now 11:46 time. That's why I am giving 12. So enable and due date. So what is the final due date? So I will give maybe 22nd. Okay, 22nd October. But you give today only, because we are going to check the how many members are going to give submitted that assignment and everything for that. So like that you can select any one of the date and 23 hours. That means up to midnight of 24th. Okay. So enable. Remind me by grade. So when you want to grade it. On 26th November, so it is going to remind you. So a mail is coming to your mail. Now submission type. So it is a file submission. Only one file you are going to accept. Okay, only one file, one PDF. So they are making a PDF. After scanning, they are going to submit one file. So maximum submission size. So this size 50 MB is more enough, I think. Okay. So if you want more, you can. So accepted file types. So .pdf, because this is easy for us to do anything. PDF. That's it. So .pdf. So next to feedback types. Nothing. We are not giving any feedback to the at that moment. Submission settings here. So require student to click on the submission button. Yes. must and should, they need to click on submission, then only you got. Okay, next, so require the student to accept the submission statement, no. So attempt to respond, nothing, we are not responding anything. So group submission settings, for suppose if it is a lab, you need to make groups, but it is not there right now. Now notifications we are not giving, and here common modules, grading, how many points for that? Maybe it is a 20 marks or 5 marks, choice is yours, maybe 5 marks. 5 marks, because assignments always we are giving 5 marks. Okay, next, common module settings. So availability, show on course space, yes, compulsory. In binder already you know, hide from the students and show on the page, so like that. So this show on page only. Okay, that's it. Restriction, nothing, we are not restricting any student. And activity completion, we are tracking the activity. A student can manually make activity as completed. So that's it. Okay, save and return to course. Okay, so like this, when student log into their email, their Moodle account, so they are able to see like this in your course. So like this. So on their dashboard, so go to their course ES1 and example assignment, that is only just now we created. So answer all questions on a paper and scan, make a PDF and submit. So like that. So just to give one question, so write your name or something, what you want. So but we are testing, because make sure all the students, only one person can do this thing. So maybe class in charge. Okay, so need not to do all everyone. So if you want to give real assignment also, you can give. Okay, that's it. So once they submitted, so the number of participants in for this class are 57. So nobody submitted it, because now it is going to launch. So that's why nobody submitted. If they submitted, it shows. So here, if you click on submission, view all submissions, like this it will. Okay, so if you click on, yeah, here PDF is going to come and submitted for correction. So like that it is visible here. So once that is done, so click on grade, automatically it is visible here. So as like a PDF, because we are doing PDF format, so it is visible as a format. So as like university exams, how we are going to correct, like that we can correct. No need to download that PDF. Okay, you need not to download any PDF, it is visible. So pages also you can turn, as like university examination correction, we can correct it. So after that, just to post your marks. So how many marks you want to give? So out of 5, how many you want to give? Directly you can give, maybe 3. So and save and show next. That means it will suddenly it goes to next person. So like that you can correct all the things. Okay. So this is as a teacher you can, but as a student, simply when you click on that thing, so they are visible like that. So just click and see the questions like this. So or otherwise they can download. So once download the questions, they can write on a paper, and after completion of PDF, they are going to submit here. That's it. Okay, thank you.